Yo, what is up everybody? It's Sai. Let me ask you something. If you had just 48 hours, no audience, no camera, and zero experience, could you launch a product that makes money? Sounds impossible, right? I'm talking about a real product, making real money, all in just 2 days. That's what I thought too, until I used AI. We've all heard about AI changing the game, but this is next level. In the last 48 hours, I built a full online course using just ChatGPT, Notion, and Gumroad. No filming, no coding, and no team. Yeah, you heard that right, no fancy cameras, no complex websites, just pure AI power. And the craziest part? This course didn't just sit there, it earned $500 plus in the first week. So if you're ready to unlock a whole new level of hustle, if you're ready to see how AI can make you money, then buckle up. And today, I'll walk you through how I did it, step by step. So you can build your own AI-powered course and start earning within days. Let's go! Alright, step 1 to building a killer course is finding a hungry audience with a real problem. Now you might be thinking, Sai, how do I find these people? It's all about tapping into the power of AI and a little bit of online detective work. First up, we're going to use ChatGPT. This AI wizard is like having a brainstorming buddy on steroids. I'm talking about feeding it prompts like, what are people struggling with in your area of expertise? ChatGPT will spit out a list of pain points faster than you can say algorithm. But we're not stopping there, we need to validate these problems. We need to know these problems are real and people are desperate for solutions. That's where Reddit, Gumroad, and Twitter come in. These platforms are like giant focus groups waiting to be tapped into. Head over to subreddits related to your niche and look for common complaints. What are people constantly asking for help with? On Gumroad, check out the best-selling courses in your category. What problems are they solving? And on Twitter, search for relevant hashtags and see what people are complaining about. This is real-time market research, people. The key here is to find a problem that's specific, painful, and widespread. You want people banging down your door for a solution. And trust me, once you find that problem, you're golden. This is how we ensure we're not wasting time building something nobody wants. We're building a course that solves a real problem, and that's how you guarantee people will pay attention. Now that we've found a problem that needs solving, it's time to outline our course. And guess what? We're going to do it in 10 minutes or less using the magic of AI. No more spending hours agonizing over what to include. ChatGPT is about to become your personal course architect. Open up that ChatGPT window and hit it with a prompt like, create a course outline for a course that solves the problem you identified. Be as specific as possible. Tell it your target audience, their skill level, and what they'll be able to do after taking your course. Boom! ChatGPT will generate a detailed course outline, breaking down your content into manageable modules. But we're not just taking what it gives us and running with it. We're going to refine it, make it our own. Each module should be laser-focused on a specific outcome. Think bite-sized chunks of value that students can implement immediately. Remember, people have short attention spans these days. Keep your modules short, sweet, and to the point. And most importantly, make sure the content is beginner-friendly. You want your students to feel like they're learning from a friend, not a textbook. This is about making them feel comfortable, making them feel confident. Because when they succeed, you succeed. Alright, time to build this bad boy, and we're doing it all in Notion, no fancy video equipment needed. That's right, we're ditching the cameras and microphones for this one. Notion is our one-stop shop for creating, organizing, and hosting our entire course. We're talking about a clean, professional, and easy-to-navigate learning experience. Think of Notion as your digital classroom. Each Notion page will be a lesson, packed with valuable text-based content, screenshots, and actionable steps. Remember, we're all about that no-fluff, high-impact learning. Break down complex concepts into digestible chunks, use bullet points and bold important information. We want to make sure our students are engaged and absorbing every single word. And here's the best part. You don't have to be a design guru to make your course look amazing. Notion has built-in templates and formatting options to make your content pop. Add visuals, use different fonts, create call-outs. The possibilities are endless. This is about creating an immersive learning experience that keeps students glued to their screens. Now it's time to sell this masterpiece, and we're doing it on Gumroad. It's the easiest way to sell digital products online, and setting it up is a breeze. First impressions are everything, so we need a sales page that converts. Gumroad makes it simple to create a professional-looking sales page without any coding. But here's the secret sauce. We're going to use AI to write sales copy that makes people smash that buy now button. Head back to ChatGPT and feed it prompts like, write compelling sales copy for a course that helps people, the problem your course solves. Be sure to highlight the benefits of your course, not just the features. What will students achieve after taking your course? How will it transform their lives? Remember, people buy based on emotion, so don't be afraid to inject some personality and excitement into your copy. And don't forget to include testimonials. Even if you don't have any yet, you can use AI to generate some based on the benefits of your course. Once your sales page is looking slick, it's time to set up your product delivery. Gumroad handles everything automatically, so you can sit back, relax, and watch the sales roll in. It's like having a personal assistant who takes care of all the logistics. It's time to spread the word about our awesome course, and we're doing it with the power of short-form video. No need to be camera shy for this one. We're going faceless. Think eye-catching visuals, snappy edits, and AI voiceovers that hook viewers from the first second. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are our best friends for this. Create short, engaging videos that highlight the problem your course solves and tease the transformation students will experience. Think quick tips, mind-blowing stats, or even relatable struggles that your target audience faces. The key is to grab attention and pique their curiosity. Remember, a confused mind doesn't buy, so keep your message clear and concise. Don't forget to include a strong call to action. Tell people to check out the link in your bio to learn more or enroll in your course. And here's a pro tip. Repurpose your course content into bite-sized video snippets. This way, you're providing even more value and enticing people to want more. This is about building excitement, building anticipation, and ultimately, driving traffic to your sales page. We've launched our course and the sales are coming in. Now it's time to level up our monetization game and scale smarter. We're talking about building a long-term income system that works even while you sleep. First up, affiliate marketing. Gumroad has a built-in affiliate program that makes it easy for others to promote your course and earn a commission. Reach out to influencers, bloggers, and other course creators in your niche and offer them the opportunity to partner up. This is a win-win situation. They get to promote a valuable product to their audience, and you get more sales. Next, let's talk upsells and bonus guides. Think about additional resources or services that would complement your course and enhance the student experience. This could be anything from templates and checklists to one-on-one coaching calls or access to an exclusive community. Package these up as high-value upsells that you can offer to students after they purchase your course. And don't forget about the power of email marketing. Collect email addresses from your students and nurture them with valuable content, special offers, and updates about your course. Building a strong email list allows you to stay top of mind and generate repeat sales. This is about playing the long game, building relationships with your students, and creating a loyal following. Remember, the more value you provide, the more money you'll make. And there you have it, a full breakdown of how I launched a profitable AI course in just 48 hours using the power of AI. Now I know it might seem daunting, but trust me, if I can do it, you can too. If you want my course creation stack, Notion template, Gumroad copy, and all the AI prompts I used, drop course stack in the comments below. I'm all about sharing the knowledge and helping you succeed. And hit that subscribe button if you're building a digital business using automation and AI. We're building smarter, not harder, every single day. Now go out there, crush it, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in day 5.